What's the meaning of anteroom? Anteroom. 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 Anteroom.
An anteroom is a small room that serves as an entryway or waiting area before entering a larger room. It's often used as a transitional space between the outside world and a more private interior space. Anterooms can be found in various settings, including homes, offices, hotels, and hospitals. They can also serve functional purposes, such as storage for coats and shoes. Overall, an anteroom is a practical and often elegant solution to create a welcoming and organized transition from one space to another.